Hello and welcome to my channel. Cybersecurity researchers have discovered a new adversary-in-the-middle phishing kit named Sneaky 2FA, which targets Microsoft's 365 accounts. First discovered in December last year, this phishing kit has been active since at least October 2024 and is distributed as a phishing as a service through a Telegram bot called Sneaky Log. If you're new to this channel, I am Bill Osolinski, a certified information systems security professional with 30 years of experience. Key features of Sneaky 2FA. Number 1, auto-grab functionality. The phishing URLs include the victim's email address as a parameter, which is then pre-filled into the fake Microsoft authentication page to make it seem credible. 2, anti-bot and anti-analysis measures. It then uses traffic filtering and Cloudflare turnstile challenges to make sure that only legitimate users are directed to the credential harvesting pages. Moreover, it carries out checks to detect and resist any analysis attempts using web browser developer tools. And 3, session hijacking. By wedging itself between the user and the legitimate service, the kit captures session cookies once the user has completed the 2FA process, which enables malefactors to bypass 2FA and get access to the user accounts. The phishing kit costs a measly $200 per month and operates through a fully featured Telegram bot. Customers get access to a licensed, obfuscated version of the source code and can deploy it independently. The phishing pages are hosted on compromised infrastructure, usually WordPress websites and other domains controlled by the kit's authors. Protecting against Sneaky 2FA. Protection requires phishing-resistant authentication methods like FIDO2, real-time URL scanning at the time of click that completely bypasses Cloudflare turnstile protection, and proactive detection of newly registered phishing domains before they become active threats. You can also mitigate the risk by implementing privileged access management to restrict access and contain potential damage from compromised accounts. Pairing this with robust password management ensures that credentials are strong, unique, and securely stored, reducing exposure to phishing campaigns. Additionally, a password manager will prevent users from entering credentials into spoof websites because the tool will only autofill credentials on the authentic web page. Enforcing layered security also measures and advanced threat detection and employee training further minimize organizational risk. That's all for this presentation. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.